All right, there we go. We got both streams running. We got the YouTube, we got the Telegram. It's officially 7:12. Up and at it a little early. Let's go ahead and take all these lines off. Let's see what we got working here. 5 minutes not so clean. 15 minutes a little bit cleaner. Perfect resistance point right here. You can see. Just base it off like right there should be good. Yeah, it was good resistance for a breakout. And then only thing I don't like about this is it's so close. Say I want to take my sell somewhere down here. Let's see. Maybe we can go in the hour. It might be a little more cleaner. Yeah, the hour is way cleaner. So I'd say I want to take a sell somewhere right there. Could also probably do it somewhere. This is NQ, by the way, so the NASDAQ. I would say like right here, but there's just another resistance point right after that. So I'd want to be careful. Kind of same with the over here. There's like another one right here. That's what we got for NQ. Let's go ahead and look at YM or MYM because we trade the micros. Remove all the previous day ones. So for a breakout to the upside, I had to be like somewhere right here. Let's say, yeah. That's not me. And then for some sort of sell-off, I guess it'd be right here. It's not too bad. Right? Yeah. Let me see. What else are we at here? Somewhere right there for a sell. I think we're kind of far, bro. Oh, we have another zone right here too as well. There we go. You could take a buy right here as well. She's got a lot of other resistance points that are kind of close. So you gotta watch them. Definitely gotta watch them. To see. Maybe start, we could also start looking at the S&P as well. Just add like a third one. I wanted to take 3 trades in a day. The S&P is honestly cleanest. The cleanest out of all of them. Yeah, look at that. Really nice. Really clean. Probably won't trade it though. Just because, or maybe, let me see. Like another nice resistance point right here. For a sell. I gotta go on my practice account. I gotta see something real quick. Gonna take a trade, but it's not a real trade. It's gonna be a practice trade. I just want to see how big my stops need to be. So I don't know how much per ticket is on the S&P per trade. So let's see this real quick. Let's try it.
Order filled.
3 lot. Alright, yeah, we took this on the practice account. So what, like a 10-point stop would be $150 worth of risk. So yeah, we'd have to use 2 cons. And maybe 5's kind of tight, to be honest. But it's not too bad. Especially on the 5. What would a 5 be with 3 cons? 75? Something like that, I guess. I'm gonna just leave this trade open. It's a practice account, so who cares, but... Alright. I don't know if it'd be a 5 or a 10-point stop with the ES. I might not even trade it, to be honest. I just don't really care that much. But it is good to just mark it up. Back to having that open. Alright. Already getting a breakout on YM, but we're 15 minutes before session, so I don't like YM being on this side. I like NASDAQ on this side, bro. I like YM being on my right. Just feels better. Alright, 1 minute. That's a little bit too crazy. What do we got? Don't tell me, bro. What the fuck? Why does it do that? YM's moving a lot cleaner. Super clean right now. I don't know why, like, I deleted all that shit. I don't know why it still has it up, but whatever. YM is bussin'. Why has it got all these? I'm gonna stay on the 15-minute for NASDAQ. Alright, so for NASDAQ, every trade's a 25-point stop, 100 ticks. So it's either 100 ticks, 25 points, whatever you use. Is they're the same increment, just different increments, but same size. So 25 points, 100 ticks. TP1 is 200 points. Unless you want to take 1-to-1s, then it's 100, 100. And then for US 30, we use a 50-point stop. 50 tick stop, 100 ticks take profit. Stop is a little wide though. I don't know. We could always use a 25 with US 30. 50 is kind of wide, I ain't gonna lie. Maybe we could start using like a 40. I honestly might start using a 40. But it would be a lot less risk, so we might have to do 4 cons or something. I don't know. I'll just leave it at 50. We've been hitting wins with 50s. Alright, so we gotta remember NQ is over here. YF is over here. Because on Friday, it was either Friday or Thursday, we took a trade and we fucking bombed it because we closed it out early on accident trying to trade YM. And accidentally closed our NQ trade. So yeah, that was kind of whack. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, somebody's alarm is just ripping right now. 5-6 minutes before market opens. Ooh, we also have this trend line. It's not the best though, to be honest. Let's look at it on the 5 minutes, see what it looks like. Oh, we already broke that trend. Yeah, it's not really a good trend line, to be honest. It looked like it, but it's really not. I wouldn't. There's like literally no touches. She went up here and yeah, it's kind of ass. All right, we won't use that. Another day, nobody on, man. This is crazy, bro. The amount of people who ask me about trading and don't come on, bro. It's wild.
The cat still there?
Last charge I had, before we got like 3 payouts from Apex and yes.
Oh yeah, but I forgot I'm on YouTube, so pretty much watch this back. If you want to watch today's live stream back, just go on YouTube. But yeah, last week was ass. It would have been good, but I made a few mistakes. First 2 days we were up like $50 a day, so over 100 by Tuesday. The balance was at like negative 398, and then Wednesday I think we took a loss. Or no, Wednesday we took another win of like $50, and then Thursday and Friday ended up just making a break even, man. It was crazy. Friday we had 2 winning trades, but we closed our first one out on accident, and then the second one we went break even. So we ended last week completely break even. Let me show you guys here. Yeah, we lost like $18. I consider that break even, but yeah, 58, 46. Then we lost 200. Then we made 70, and then lost $1.70 for break even. But yeah, this day we would have made like $400, but we fucked it up. But it's all good. Break even is honestly better than losing. So overall, the account's at a balance of negative 500. So the goal is to get this positive 2,500, so we could take a $1,250 payout. Because with Top Step, they let you withdraw half of whatever your balance is. So if we have 2,500, we could withdraw 1,250. I'm trying to get that before January is over. If not, we'll kind of probably just take whatever we get. Like, hopefully at least we get like 2K. So if we can get a 2K balance, we could withdraw 1,000, but I don't know. Kind of almost done with January. How many more trading days we got? I don't know if we'll be able to do it. We got 1 week, 2 weeks. We got 3 weeks. So if we'd have to make a lot, honestly. The highest I could see we get is if we did 500 a week, we'd be up 1,000. So it may look like it would take our first payout in February. We're kind of taking this slow. We could risk way more. To get that payout quicker, but I'm just not trying to blow the account, man. I've had this funded account for a while now. I'm trying to honestly keep it. Like, this is the longest I've ever kept a funded account. We've had it since November 13th all the way to January. So we've had it for almost 2 months now, which is crazy. Most people blow it within like a week. So we've already passed it. We're already, where we're supposed to be. Right now, YM's looking clean, but I just don't like that fucking candle before the first candle being my breakout position candle. Like, I'd much rather this be the 730 candle. I don't like when it's 725 and then like the New York Open candle opens like right at the breakout point. It always just fakes out. So I don't know if I'll take it, but I don't know. I'm trying to decide. Like, is 50 ticks too wide of a stop? Or am I just being am I just being gay? I don't know. But Mondays are usually our best days. We usually get winners pretty fast with Mondays, and we can usually get like 1 to 4. So we'll see. Market's literally about to open in 1 minute. I got the jitters, the pre-market jitters. So that's a good reaction. Something like this would be good. Right there. Because the next candle could just rip through and we could take our buy. I didn't really check to see if we have news. Okay, yeah, today's a pretty newsless day. All right, there we go. First candle.
Order filled.
Taking my buy on NASDAQ. US 30 just dumped. I didn't even get to take that position, to be honest. That was kind of whack. Ooh. NASDAQ has me questioning life right now. I don't like how NASDAQ's acting, so I'm going break even. Straight up. I don't like how that shit rejecting.
Order filled.
Alright. Break even for NASDAQ. Maybe I shouldn't have been a pussy. US 30, man, we kind of didn't get into that. But it's still the first candle, man. We could get a lot of fake outs here. NASDAQ about to approach target 2. I got out early like a little bitch. US 30 about to hit target 2 if you would have taken that. NASDAQ just fucking... We could take another buy on NASDAQ at this high right here. But that's a big candle, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and sell
filled.
US 30. Oh shit. I think I got in too late, bro. That was too big of a candle. I'm gonna go ahead and buy NASDAQ again. This might be a shitty ass losing day. Jesus Christ, we might get that dub with NASDAQ and a loss with US 30 at the same time. This is fucking crazy. I'm gonna go break even again on NASDAQ just because I don't like the way that shit's moving. I'm gonna be a pussy. Might go break even with US 30 if it pushes in profit again. But I'm waiting fucking for it to push a little bit better because it's really close.
Order filled.
Lost 2 break evens on NASDAQ, bro. This shit is just hella volatile. Something needs to give us something, bro. I'm gonna break even on US 30 as well. Like, fuck this. These candles are way too big. They have to, like, breathe a little. And I just feel like if it breathes anymore, it's gonna stop me out. Go ahead and set my TP on US 30. Dude, if this candle smacks TP, that would be fucking crazy, bro. 2 break evens. Dude, if we would have just held that one first fucking trade, bro, we'd be up like a crazy ass 1 to 4. Marcus moves crazy on Mondays, but I got a little scared, to be honest. Need this 1 minute to fucking reverse and start dumping. That's wild. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and drag my stop into profits with US 30. So we're up about 50 bucks on the day for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and move my TP a little to maybe like a 1 to 2.5. Volatile ass fucking movement right now, bro. This shit crazy. I might just take it at a 1 to 2 here. If we can get that 1 to 2. Bro, what the fuck?
Order filled.
Alright, $50 on the fucking day, man. $50 fucking dollars, man. That was crazy. That was crazy. What would even be a $50 TP if we're risking 75? We got like a 1 to 0.75 or some shit. 1 to 2 is hit on NASDAQ as well. If we weren't such a bitch, we would have got that. Or that was a 5 minute. Yeah, we would have actually got that dub. Been a little bit scary lately, bro. This break even shit. I need to start trusting my trades a little bit more. Could take one more. We are starting to break out again on US 30. Could see how this retest does. Take it on a demo. I don't want to take it on a live. We'll see what happens. Let's see how good I am with this. Oh, no. Alright, I'm just locking myself out. Not the best day. So you stay disciplined, guys. Made 50 bucks. Could have got a lot more if we were fucking not such a bitch. Especially with fucking goddamn NASDAQ. We could have got 1 to 5 almost. We made 500 bucks. I would have taken care of the whole fucking week, bro. All we had to do is just hold this through 5 fucking minutes. Damn. Go ahead and document this for the live, because we did call these trades out. So even though we didn't get that profit we wanted, you know, somebody else could have benefited from it. No cap. Damn, that shit reversing. US 30 reversing, bro. Alright, I'm gonna hop off. Be back tomorrow, same time.